Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening according to your time. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Gift Afro I Love My Handwork. In today's video, eggplant sauce na be wetin we go cook today. So if na your first time wey be say you dey watch my video, please remember to subscribe before you go. Click the bell button to get the notification, and if you like wetin we dey do, please may you also help us share the video to others so that they will see benefit for the good thing wey we dey do for this our channel. So the other thing be say I love you guys a lot, and thank you all for supporting this channel. God bless you. Make sure say you watch this video to the end though. Thank you. See you guys in our next video. Enjoy this video and make sure you also prepare your own and share it for me too. Thank you.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that. I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working